It's no good anymore. Until it was working perfectly fine until you turned the camera on, and now she makes me look like a doofus. Cheese! What's this?
This one.
Bro. Where are you gonna go? Nowhere!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I zoomed in, like,
Well.
on your nostrils. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Watch your mouth. I know. I'll take them off for you. Let them dogs breathe. Because you got your mom's feet. They got their own zip code. I'm getting it, turn. What's wrong?
Ruby, stop whining. Say down, please. Please.
Good girl.